how to change or rename the picture gallery story title on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, we tap on the Stories tab at the bottom. Then to rename your story, the title, you can touch and hold on your story. And then tap on Change Story Title. Now give it a name. And then tap on the Rename button. And here you can see the name has been changed. Now another way how you can do it is to open up your story. And from here, simply tap on the menu button. And here tap on Change Story Title from the pop-up menu. And here you will be giving a chance to rename your story. And then tap on the Rename button. And that's it. So that is how you can rename or change your gallery story title on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.